Hello, my name is Afzal and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to share a funnel in Systeme.io. So if you haven't already signed up for Systeme.io, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free. Now as you can see, I am inside the dashboard. As you can see, this is my brand new account that I have created. This is a test account that I have created. First of all, I'll go to the menu and I'll go to the funnels. So as you can see, I have created two funnels so far. So I am going to share this funnel, YouTube course funnel that I have created, and I have shown you in my last video how to create the funnel and how to create a course. If you haven't seen that video already, if you want to create your first ever digital course, you can check out that video. You'll find the link here in the I button. So this is the funnel. First let me show you the funnel. So as you can see, this is a two-step funnel. One is an order form and second one is a thank you page, as you can see. So to share this funnel, I'll go back to my funnel list, and from here I will click on this share funnel button. So I'll get a link here. As you can see, this is the link of this funnel to be shared. Now I'll copy the link from here so that I can share this link to anyone. And this link will have your affiliate ID tracked in already. So that means if someone signs up for Systeme.io through your link, if someone doesn't have an account and if they upgrade to a paid plan, you will get a commission out of that. Now I'll paste that link in a new window here and I will click enter. So as you can see, a message is given to you, a funnel added to your account. So that means that funnel is now added to your new account wherever you have shared this. So as you can see, this funnel is added now. I'll go back to my funnel list. So as you can see, this funnel is now added to my new account where I shared this link to. Now what if someone doesn't have the Systeme.io account, then what message will it show to them? So let me show you that. First I'll log out from here. So I'll log out from here. So as you can see, I have logged out of Systeme.io. Now I will paste that link here and I'll click enter. So as you can see, it will ask you to create your account to Systeme.io. That means if someone creates their account using your link, so your affiliate link already tracked in that link. So if they upgrade on a paid plan later, you'll get a commission out of that. So that's all from this quick tutorial video. If you have got any value out of this, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already signed up for Systeme.io, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free. Thank you and goodbye.